What's colorful, square, and has a mystery inside? It's time for Library Make. Every child loves a good mystery, which is why this sensory box is a great DIY craft to keep your kiddos guessing and having fun. You can put a variety of objects in the box, or just one, and change things up based on the season or special events. Plus, this is a simple project that kids can easily participate in, adding their own decorations to the box. Keep watching to learn how. To make this craft, you'll need a tissue box, construction paper, a pencil, scissors, glue or tape, objects for inside the box, markers, and decorations, both of which are optional. Let's get crafting. First, trace the outline of the tissue box onto your paper. Then, cut out the paper and either tape or glue onto the outside of the box. Certainly involve your little one in this process. Tracing, cutting, and gluing are all great activities to improve fine motor skills. Next, if desired, decorate away. If you choose to do some extras, this is a fantastic way for your child to add a personal touch to their box and make it their own. Last thing to do is to decide what objects you want to put in the box. You can choose items your child would already be familiar with, like a spoon, leaf, or their favorite miniature toy. This can be a fun game every day by putting a different object in the box and having your child guess what it might be. It's easy to follow a theme or group like objects together in the box. Children often learn more when they involve multiple senses in the process. With this mystery sensory box, children use their sense of touch to determine objects in the box. When playing, ask them what the object feels like. Is it soft, spiky, thin? Have them guess what the object might be before they pull it out of the box. They might learn more by guessing incorrectly and learning what the objects have in common while still being different. You can also use the mystery box as a storytelling tool. Older children can pull items out of the box one at a time, using narrative skills to make up a story as they go along. Creativity, imagination, and a whole lot of guessing. What's not to love? It's all included in one mysterious package. Happy making!